Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I made a video, and because truck here in Melbourne we're on lockdown again and can't really go out to do much things because COVID cases again took off, so can't really do much. But I got something from the mail. Oh wait, I'll show you first my car. Oh, it's been a while. Beautiful day today, sun shining, it's windy and it's cold, so yeah, this is my car right now. As you can see, I don't have the rear lip, so I ordered one from eBay, and it's a Type R rear lip. I'll show you guys. This, I got this a few days ago, and I don't really plan on installing it first, but I kind of want to do something on my car. I'm itching to do something on my car, so I'm gonna try to muck it up right now. Maybe because it's black. When you buy a new lip, it comes black, so I kind of don't want to put it and run it on a car until it's painted. But it's a Sunday today and I'm itching to do something on my car, so I'm gonna muck it up today. And if it looks good black on the car, might leave it for a while until I get it color matched to my car. So yeah, I'm gonna muck it up right now and let's open the package. Alright guys, so I just removed the first layer of cover, and here's the lip. 96 to 2000 3-door rear lip. It's a Type R rear lip, Type R style, and that's the lip. I don't know if it comes with hardware to install it, but I think inside this is the hardware, so yeah, let's open it. Alright guys, so luckily it came with a hardware that I'm gonna need to install it, and this is the lip. Looks clean. I hope it fits nicely, because you know, when you buy things from eBay usually don't fit nicely. But I'm gonna muck it up right now. If it looks good on the car, color black, might just run it for a while until I got it paint matched. So yeah, let's muck it up to the car. Alright guys, so I mucked it up a little bit and I think it should fit fine. I'm just gonna have to drill new holes from both sides, and then these two tabs right here will go underneath. So I can't really hold the camera while doing this one, so you already know, time lapse. What's up guys, so just finished installing the rear lip. There you go. I think I'm gonna run it like that for now, because it took a little bit of effort to put it in, but I'm really surprised how good the fitment is, knowing that it's from eBay. Here you go guys, as you can see, fitment is so good all around. So yep. So I think I'm gonna run this for now until I get it paint matched to my car. I think that's it for this video. Just a short video for you guys. Just itching to do something on my car and not really planning to do much, but there you go. I've installed the eBay rear lip Type R look, and yeah, really sorry guys, because can't really do much in this times because it's locked down and can't really hang out with the mates to film. But yeah, I'm gonna cut this video short. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I don't know, probably just hang out here by myself because we're not allowed to have visitors on our house because of the COVID thing. And yeah, I'm just gonna make another video when I paint match the rear lip, my side skirts, the moldings, door handles, and the front lip as well. I'm gonna paint match everything so it will look nice, one color. And haven't made a video for this one. My wing, I paint match it the same day that I made the same day that I painted my front bumper when I delete the molding. So I kind of got over it, painting the removing the moldings from my front bumper. So I had extra paint laying around, and I did the wing as well. So yeah, nothing much to film, but just a short film for you guys because I haven't uploaded, I don't know, I think for 2 weeks, last 2 weeks I guess. And yeah, this is my car right now, just waiting to for this lockdown to ease off, and we're gonna hammer the videos again for you guys. So yeah, hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.